This little magnet is an absolute lifesaver. My sister was so excited that I gifted this to her because before she would constantly be cooking and trying to ask Google or ChatGPT or Alexa, like how much, or like how hot, what the temperature had to be for the meat. And now she has the convenience of just being able to turn her head. So here is our stove. So we literally put it right here so that whenever we're here cooking, we can just look up and turn. And then right here are all of the meat temperatures. It even has some tips here at the bottom, which I thought was really helpful, letting you know that even after you remove the meat from the heat source before it reaches the internal temperature, it can do something called carryover cooking, which I thought was really interesting because I didn't really know that. And they of course warn you that, like, you know, you can't just trust the color. You should definitely look at the temperature. But yeah, it's nice that they have the main meats up here: beef, pork, poultry, and seafood. And it just makes it so much easier whenever you're in the kitchen. So yeah, I think this is a great gift, or it's just a great thing to have for anybody who cooks a lot of meat and you want to just be able to glance over and see how much you should be cooking it. I will put my hand here just so you can see it like relative in terms of the size. I did think it was going to be a little bit bigger. I didn't really think about the measurements. So you might need a pair of glasses if you can't see very well. But overall, just make sure you have it close to wherever you're going to be cooking at. And yeah, this thing is so solid. I highly, highly recommend grabbing this.